Morning everyone, I am Patricia May L. Alves, and today I'm gonna discuss about the medical transcription equipment and process. The learning objectives are identify the essential equipment used in medical transcription, computer, headset, foot pedal, transcription software, and reference materials. Number 2, describe the function and importance of each transcription tools in ensuring accuracy and efficiency. And 3, explain the step-by-step process of medical transcription from physician dictation to final documentation. What is medical transcription? Medical transcription is a medical records document all aspects of a person's medical care, including their symptoms, health, history, the results of their healthcare providers' exams, their treatment plans. So, ang medical transcription day mao ang proseso sa pagpaminaw sa audio sa doktor o pagtype sa ilang sulti or sa results para mahimong klaro o kumpleto ang medical records sa patients. Next is the medical transcription equipment. First is desktop computer or laptop. It is a machine that can follow instructions to alter data in a desirable way and to perform at least some operations without human intervention. Computers represent and manipulate text, graphics, symbols, music, numbers, and other data form. So, ang kaning desktop computers or laptop, mao ni siyang gamit para mag-type, mag-save, ug mag-edit sa mga medical transcription files. Number 2 is desk chair. It gives the transcriptionist the necessary support, comfort, and flexibility he needs while transcribing in the computer. So, mao ni siyang lingkuran nga comfortable para sa dugay nga pagtrabaho sa computer. 3 is word processing program. It creates, saves, edits, and open transcription document and files in the computer. So, mo ni siya usa ka software nga gamiton para maghimo ug mag-edit sa mga documents. 4 is high-speed internet. It allows fast and reliable access to resources and references found in the internet. So, mo ni siya ang paspas nga internet para sa pag-download ug pag-upload sa audio files ug documents. 5 is headphones. This is a pair of small speakers that are designed to be held in place to the user's ears. This aids in listening closely to the dictated materials. So, mani siya ang gamiton para mas maklaro ug madungog ang audio sa doktor nga imuhang i-transcribe. 6 is transcription foot pedal. A transcription foot pedal is a tool often used in medical transcription. It is connected to the computer via USB port and rests under the desk. It is tapped using the foot in order to start, stop, pause, rewind, or fast forward the recording. So, mani siya ang pedal nga tapakan para i-play, i-pause, o i-rewind ang audio samtang mag-type.
Speakers. Speakers are popular output devices used with computer systems. So they receive audio input from the computer sounds card and produce audio output in the form of sound waves. So it means that it's the mouth of your computer. The computer sends a message, which is the audio signal, and the speaker says it out loud. So for example, are listening to music, watching YouTube videos, or hearing the sound effects in a video game. Next is a voice recorder. So it is a device to record speech or other sounds and then play it back. So think of it like a digital notepad for sound. So instead of writing notes, you speak them. So for the real life use for this are journalists use them for interviews, and then doctors sometimes use them to record notes about patients quickly. So AVR or automatic voltage regulator. This is a hardware device used to maintain a voltage electronic devices. So it also a device that protects your electronics by making sure they get the steady, safe voltage of electricity. So if the power coming from the wall is too high or too low, so the AVR fixes it. It also a traffic cop for electricity It directs the flow of power to keep it moving at a safe speed for your devices. So, for example, people in areas with unstable power often use an AVR for their TV or refrigerator to prevent them from breaking due to sudden power changes. Next, we have UPS or uninterruptible power supply. So, this is a device that allows a computer to keep running for at least a short time when the primary power source is lost. So, UPS devices also provide protection from power surges. So, this is a device that has a built in battery. So, if the main power goes out or a blackout, the UPS gives your computer power for a short time so you can save your work and safely shut it down. It also protects against power surges. So, it's like a small emergency battery for your computer. It gives you a head start before the power runs out completely. So, for example, if you're writing a long essay on your computer and the power suddenly fails, the UPS gives you enough time to click save and turn the computer off properly. And now let's discuss about laboratory equipment. So these are the specialized tools used in science and chemistry labs to handle, measure, and mix substances. So first we have spatulas. So a spatula is a flat, thin, and usually metal or plastic tool with a handle. They are used for scooping, transferring, and mixing small quantities of solid or powdered substances. They come in various shapes and sizes, with some having a flat end and others a spoon like end. So, the real life use for this is, of course, to scoop, to transfer, and mix small amounts of powders or solid substances. So they are like tiny, skinny shovels or spoons for a science lab. Pipette. A pipette is a precision instrument used to measure and transfer small, accurate volumes of liquid. So imagine a tiny straw that can suck up a drop of juice. So pipettes are used by scientists to measure and add or remove tiny drops of liquids very precisely. So, for example, is you imagine a super precise eyedropper, then you use it to pick up and move exactly one drop or 1 milliliter of liquid. So, scientists use them in experiments to add exact amounts of chemicals, and medical labs use them to prepare blood samples for testing. Next, we have crucible tongs. So these are specialized metal tongs designed to handle hot materials and equipment. So crucibles are used for heating substances to high temperatures for processes like heating, melting, and fusing materials. They are like heat resistant tweezers or pliers. They let you grab something very hot without burning your hand. So, picking up a hot beaker or a small piece of a metal that was just heated in a Bunsen burner flame is the example for that. So, element set, this is a general term for a collection of many different laboratory tools needed for science experiments. It can include beakers, test tubes, microscopes, funnels, graduated cylinders, and more. So it's the standard collection of tools you would find in any high school or university chemistry or biology lab.
Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. My name is Johanna Pearl Ikubusa, and today I will be presenting the topic medical transcription processes. I will explain what medical transcription is, why does it matter in healthcare, and the complete step-by-step processes involved. Let's begin. On this slide, we'll talk about the classic definition of medical transcription. So, medical transcription involves listening to audio recordings from doctors, nurses, and other healthcare providers. Kana bitang ilang mga findings, diagnosis, instruction, recorded na sila, and the transcription convert those into written documents. While doing this, they make sure nga accurate, klaro, ug walay sayop ang documents. This helps a lot kay makafocus ang doctors sa patient care instead of writing everything themselves. So, ang transcription is good ang nagtabang para mag-organize, complete, and reliable ang medical records. So, now nga nasabta natin sa medical transcriptions, we'll move on to the processes itself. Here, we can see how medical transcription support different types of clinical report, such as history and physical exams, discharge summaries, ER reports, X-ray readings, operative notes, and chart documentation. Kay every time nga na interaction between doctors and patient, kinahanglan gid nga i-document properly. Medical transcription ensures nga complete, standard, and easy to use ang recording inside the electronic healthcare system. Next, I will explain the 5 main steps of the transcription processes. Step 1. Medical professional dictation. The processes begin with dictation. A medical professional records their finding using a mobile phone or digital voice recorder. These recordings include patient history, examination result, diagnosis, treatment instruction, and follow-up plans. Importante kayo nga high quality ang device para klaro ang audio. Kung batigan niyo ang recordings, lisod kayo in transcribe. So, this step set the foundation. Kung klaro ang audio, klaro po ang final document. Step 2. Transmitting the voice files. After the medical professional finishes recording, the audio files need to be transferred securely. These files are uploaded to a protected server or a secure transcription platform. From there, ang transcriptionist maka-download na. I-make sure complete and correct ang files. Kung kulang, magka-delete yun. So this step ensures nga everything is organized before starting. Step 3. Transcribing voice files into text. This is the core step of the process. The medical transcriptionist listens carefully to the audio and types the spoken information into text. They use tools such as foot pedals to play, pause, rewind, and control the speed of the audio so they can accurately capture every word. If naay part nga dili klaro like saba ang background or kusog kayo ang accent sa speaker, they will contact the doctor to clarify. Dili pwede mag-guess-guess kay medical information ni. So, kailangan accurate jud ang pag-transcribe sa voice files. Step 4. Editing the transcribed files. Once the transcription is complete, the next step is editing. In this stage, the document is truly reviewed for grammatical errors, incomplete sentence, formatting issues, and any inconsistencies in medical terminology. They also make sure nga correct ang medications, procedures, and diagnosis spelling. Kana bitaw nga dapat smooth, professional, and easy to read ang final output. Mao ni ang step nga naga-polish sa document. Step 5. Sending the edited files. The final step is delivery. Once the document has been proofread and finalized, it is sent back to the medical facility. This can be done through secure internet file transfers, fax, email, or dedicated medical record system. Kailangan nga dali kay ang doctors mo rely pud ani for patient care. Kung dugay maapektuhan ang workflow, so fast and secure delivery is important. In conclusion, the medical transcription processes is a detailed workflow that helps turn recorded medical information into organized and reliable documents. From the moment the doctor dictates up to the final delivery of the edited file, every step plays an important role. Without these processes, isujud kaayo ang documentation sa hospitals and clinics. So overall, medical transcription support better, faster, and more accurate patient care. That is all. Thank you for listening.